Hello again, crafters, welcome back. Today I'm going to try my hand at something a bit different. This is what we're going to make through the course of this video. It's a little cheap frame that I got from the craft section of our dollar store. I've added a few decoupage elements and a few embellishments and turned it into quite a cute kind of vintage style travel photo frame or just a little wall hanging. So follow along if you'd like, and I'll see you back at the end. For this project you'll need an old photo frame that needs a facelift or a frame that you can buy from the dollar store. You'll also need some decoupage papers or scrapbook papers. I've used the Americana decoupage paper called Oldie World. You'll also need a decoupage medium. I'm using the Deco Art decoupage medium in matte. Then some jute twine, some scissors and brushes, and some embellishments of your choice. I've got some little gold stick-on gems and some metal coastal embellishments. So here it is finished, and I think it's kind of cute. I really like the distressed look. These papers are really excellent for this. They fit the theme perfectly, and I love that it's got letters so that you can put yourself a little message down the side. I've got a few little charms I had left over from some previous projects and the jute twine, and so this is going to look really good next to those little beach jars that I made. So that also incorporated the twine and the some burlap and these little metal charms, so it makes a nice matching set. So look for the video. I'm going to put it behind the eye up in this corner, and you can find the matching beachy coastal style jars that go with this one. So thanks very much for watching. It's a little bit something a bit different today, a quick and easy crafty project, and I hope you'll stick around for a lot more painting, pouring, resin and crafty projects on the channel in the future. See you soon.